Alright, you got this plastic box. There's the cover for it. That's in trailer 183. It goes in that toolbox. Take it out. This is where we got the remotes. Here's the wired remote, which is standard. We know how to use that already. Here's the wireless remote. This is the remote. It's charged. This is the charging station for the remote. Plug it into your cigarette lighter. Simple stuff. Here's a part that goes onto the trailer. This is the receiver, I guess you want to call it. This plugs into the front of the trailer or the rear. It's got the same plug as the wired remote. We're just going to plug it in right there. Here is the antenna for it. We got to take that off in order for it to fit in the box. So we're going to screw that on right here. We're going to take it over there. Plug it in. It's got magnets on the back of it, so we're just going to put it right here. We're going to take the cord, plug it in right here. Oh, I'm not driving the truck right now, but if you were driving the truck, you're going to do something with that cord so you don't get it stuck somewhere. Just do something with it. Take a bungee cord or whatever, but I'm not moving the truck right now, so I don't need to worry about it. Start up the engine. Oh, well, first you gotta have the lights on from your truck. Lights on, see the lights are on the trailer. You gotta have electric going to it in order for this to work. Start the engine up. Go underneath and bypass the fifth wheel steering. So it'll only steer with the remote on the rear. If you don't do this, the remote will still steer, but it will steer this fifth wheel top hat, and it'll steer the rear. We don't want to steer this fifth wheel top hat, we want to bypass that. So it'll only steer in the rear. Switch it to remote steering. Take the remote. In order to turn the remote off, you gotta press the stop button down. That's up, down, up, down. Down turns it off automatically. On, or up turns it on. So, there's a sequence or a pin to get this working. I think I figured it out. It seems to be different, but I'm trying to figure it out for the purpose of this video. Start, function, start, start. Okay, that didn't work. Function, start, start. That's what it is. Okay. Light blinking fast. I didn't hit the next button fast enough. We want to get that green light where it's blinking slow. So we're going to reset this. Function, start, start. Function, start. Function, start. Lights blinking slow. Now you can steer. There we have it. Now if you want to stop the steering, in case of emergency, if you got to stop it or whatever, you're just done. Stop. Now it's off. This controller does not have lights on it to tell you when it's lined up like the wired remote does. If you're using this, this will pretty much be for steering a load in the yard or at a job site or something. If you need to set up the steering, it's easier just to use the wired remote. And that's that.